Hello beautiful viewers, on today's episode I'll be showing you how to buy Yukan token on Pancakeswap using your Trustwallet. As always, you first need to download Trustwallet either from Play Store or Apple Store, depending on the device you have. After downloading, you set it up and find somewhere safe to keep your seed phrase. Well, mine has been set up, so I'll just open it and input my passcode. So the next step is for you to fund your Trustwallet. You fund your Trustwallet by sending BNB from a centralized exchange to your wallet. So you do so by clicking on BNB, then click on receive, and then click on copy. So after clicking on copy, you paste it on the centralized exchange you are withdrawing your BNB from. The centralized exchange could be either Binance, Gate.io, or any other centralized exchange of your choice. And please make sure you're sending BNB Smart Chain to the address. So after that, we head over to the swap interface. We do so by clicking on our in-app browser. We then click on Pancakeswap. So please make sure after that you change this Ethereum icon to BNB Smart Chain and then click on connect. It's been changed, guys. You can see we have BNB and Cake. We then click on this Cake icon because that's where we'll be pasting our Yukan's contract address. But guys, Yukan is yet to be listed on CoinMarketCap or CoinGecko. So we will have to head to their Telegram group to get their CA. This is Telegram, guys. So we'll have to search for their group, Yukan. Okay, Yukan token, you can see, right? Click on it and simply type CA. And Rose will respond to you ASAP. So copy the CA. So we paste it and click done. Then click Yukan. So the next step is for us to input the amount of Yukan we wish to buy. So guys, we scroll down and click on swap. And then we confirm swap. Then click on confirm. Then click on add Yukan to wallet. Then click on import. You click on import to avoid manually adding Yukan up. Yes guys, we've successfully purchased Yukan. So we head back to our wallet and refresh. Yes guys, you can see that we've successfully purchased, I think, 2 million units of Yukan, right? And guys, don't bother about the price not reflecting it. It's because Yukan is yet to be listed on CoinGecko or CoinMarketCap, but expect that soon. Thank you guys. You can see it's very easy. Please feel free to drop your questions or comments in the comment section. And don't forget to smash the like and subscribe button. Bye. See you in our next video.